Welcome back, YouTube. From what it looks like, this is gonna be another wet Saturday. I'm approaching this container right here. It's sideways here. I usually put the fork here on the side. Turn my steering wheel real quick, back up a little bit, and the container will correct itself. So I could just go ahead and pick it up and just dump it right there and then, put it right back down with the fork. Push it back into its position and just keep it moving. Go, just hit it, boom, right back in its position. Just move on. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Garbage Unlimited. It's a rainy Saturday again. Wow, so difficult. Well, yeah, guys, I hope to find you guys well, man. You guys are doing great. This stop right here is a McDonald's. It's right on Route 21 in Newark. Typically, it used to be unlocked. You used to never have a lock, and they had an issue with a lot of homeless people coming in there and sleeping and doing their stuff. And this is the reason why they lock this corral up. It makes it more difficult, but hey, you do what you gotta do as a driver, The approach in this container is a little difficult because you see the yellow line right there. It's an off balance right there from the parking lot to where the corral is at. So the truck has a little difficulties going in there. Plus it's very narrow for the truck. You got mirrors touching both sides of the corral, so you just gotta make it work. Apologize for the quality on the video. It was raining this day. Plus I had the coverage on the camera lens and the picture is kind of off a little, but I hope you guys get to enjoy this video. Please hit that like and subscribe and help me push this channel up. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Don't put a mattress in between the two containers. Crazy. Look at that. Fell right in the middle. Let me see what I can do here, because they left that right there. I mean, it landed in between. Let me see. It's not safe to do that. Let me just push it back with the container, because that's a mattress. It's not a box spring. I'll leave it right there. Wow, it's boring, man. Yep, and I got the box spring right next to the other one. Wow. Let me run this blade real quick. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday, man, or your weekend. There you go, you see? Oh my God. Now it landed right where I gotta put the container. Oh my God. I'm not getting out. Just push it against the wall with the container. That's it. It broke off. Look at it. The wood sticking from the back of the container. Well, yeah, guys, let's get to it. This stop right here. I have to back in here real quick to this loading dock. But today there was this car parked across from the garage door, so I couldn't position the containers inside the loading dock, so I could just grab them one by one. Instead I had to pull them out, and but it's okay, guys. I speed it up a little so you guys don't, get bored. Guys, I do apologize for the video quality here. It was just pouring this day, and I got soaked. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But the water on the camera lens made that line right there where I'm at right now. And yep, nothing I could do about it, man. I tried to put this video out there. I hope it was the best quality, and Again, I do hope you guys enjoyed it. lie to you guys. I do love this camera, this 360 camera. I get to view everything, you know, and especially I get to give you guys a more in-depth hopper view of how the truck packs and compacts. So hey, I love it. I'm loving it. Gotta say, pulling these 2 4-yarders containers, they're pretty difficult because you never see 4-yarders on wheels. So you know they kind of tricky to pull, you know, when they have trash in them or when they're empty. But you know, we make it work. Once I'm done here, I just hit the security button. Security guard closes the gate, and I'd be up on my way. Made the clip longer here because I want you guys to see how close this overpass right here is to the truck. Just take a good look right here, guys. Barely make it through here, you know. Cool story about this stop right here. I used to do this stop when I used to do carve work. And one day I got out of here, I got out of the truck to pull this container out of this corral in here, and a rat jumped out of the container onto my arm, crawled through my arm, and jumped off my arm. Wherever it went, I don't know, but it gave me the scare of my life. So I said never again to pull this container. I'll do that with the fork. And this is what basically I'm doing here now, guys. I'm not gonna lie, man. I love how this how I see this and how the garbage lands on that hopper. It's just lovely. Welcome to Covanta in Newark, New Jersey, guys. This is the burner where they burn the trash, turn it into ash. Any metal, precious metals, they separate them here. They do all kinds of stuff here, so you know. And if you guys made it this far, please hit that like and subscribe. Leave any comments. Help me push this channel out there. You know, if you guys hit those like buttons, it pushes the channel out there for other people to, you know, view it, and it help, you know, the channel out a lot. Well, with that being said, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy, and stay safe, stay sharp, stay unlimited always.